Ever wonder where your dollar bills really come from? Not your wallet, their true birthplace. The cash we use is only valuable because we trust it's real, and that trust is fiercely protected. If anyone could print money, it would be worthless overnight. That's why the US government makes money-making a high-security, high-skill operation. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing and the US Mint are in a constant race against counterfeiters. Every bill and coin is packed with security features and crafted with precision. The process is secretive, expensive, and full of high-tech barriers to fakes. From special materials to hidden threads, every detail matters. The people behind this work are guardians of our economy, operating massive machines in tough conditions. Let's pull back the curtain and see how money is really made. We'll go inside the factories where cash is born and discover the blend of science, art, and grit behind every dollar. Forget Hollywood heists. The real story of making money is far more fascinating. American paper money isn't paper at all. It's a tough blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. Only one company, Crane & Concerns, makes this special fabric, and it's illegal for anyone else to have it. Tiny red and blue fibers are embedded in every bill, making each one unique and hard to copy. Higher value bills add even more security. Watermarks, color-shifting ink, and plastic security threads that glow under UV light. The $100 bill features a blue 3D security ribbon with moving images, nearly impossible to fake. Each feature is a hurdle for counterfeiters, and together, they make US currency among the world's most secure. Even before ink touches the surface, the material itself is a fortress. These layers of security are like a secret recipe, constantly evolving to stay ahead of criminals. Every detail, from the feel to the hidden images, is designed to protect our money. It's not just about looking official, it's about making counterfeiting nearly impossible. The result? A bill that's trusted worldwide. That's the genius behind every dollar in your pocket. Next, let's see how these high-tech sheets become real cash. The journey from blank sheets to real money starts at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. First, offset presses add subtle background colors, except for the classic $1 bill, which skips this step. After drying, the sheets undergo intaglio printing, where engraved plates and tons of pressure create the raised textures you can feel. This step gives each bill its signature look and feel, something digital printers can't fake. Next, a letterpress machine stamps on unique serial numbers and official seals, giving every bill its identity. Billions are printed, but no two serial numbers are alike. Every sheet is scanned by high-speed cameras for flaws. Any imperfection means the whole sheet is destroyed. Only perfect bills are cut, stacked, and bundled for the Federal Reserve. It's a process of precision, security, and relentless quality control. Each bill is a product of craftsmanship and technology. That's how blank fabric becomes the cash in your hand. But what about coins? Let's flip to the other side. Coins are born at the US Mint, where molten metal and brute force rule. Huge coils of metal, zinc for pennies, cupronickel for dimes and quarters, are punched into blanks. These blanks are heated in furnaces, then tumbled clean and shiny. An upsetting mill gives each blank a raised rim, protecting the design and helping coins stack. Now called planchets, they're ready for the coining press. With up to 160 tons of pressure, the press stamps both sides and creates the reeded edge in a single blow. The result? A finished penny, dime or quarter, instantly recognizable and ready for your pocket. Every coin is inspected, counted, and bagged for shipment to banks. The process is loud, hot, and relentless, but it keeps our change flowing. From raw metal to shiny coin, it's a feat of industrial strength and precision. Making coins is a dirty job, but it's essential to our daily lives. And just like bills, coins face their own challenges. Making money isn't cheap. A $100 bill costs over 16 cents to produce, but coins are even pricier. It costs nearly 3 cents to make a penny, and over 5 cents for a nickel, more than their face value. This sparks debate. Should we ditch the penny? Mistakes happen too. Even with high-tech scanners, flawed bills and coins slip through, and safety issues at mints are real. Counterfeiters are always trying to beat the system. Real bills have microprinting and raised textures. Fakes often look blurry and feel flat. Counterfeit coins, especially from overseas, are getting harder to spot, even for banks. Congress has pushed the mint to step up its game against these threats. Protecting our currency is a never-ending battle. Every security feature is a response to a new trick from criminals. The stakes? The integrity of our entire economy. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, and the fight never stops. Why go to all this trouble? One word: trust. Every transaction relies on faith that our money is real and will be accepted. The US dollar isn't just America's currency, it's the world's reserve, trusted everywhere. If that trust faltered, the global economy could unravel. That's why the Bureau of Engraving and Printing and the US Mint work tirelessly to protect it. Their precision and dedication keep our money safe and our economy stable. From engravers to inspectors, these unsung heroes ensure every bill and coin meets the highest standards. It's a tough, messy job, but it's absolutely essential. Next time you hold a dollar or a coin, remember the journey it took. It's more than money, it's a symbol of stability and trust. Behind every bill is a story of ingenuity, hard work, and national pride. And that's what makes your money truly valuable.